Hi, welcome to Parametric House. In this Grasshopper tutorial, I want to show you how you can convert this mesh, which you can actually use any mesh. And by this algorithm, we're going to produce these patterns. So if I increase the number of division, you can see that the division of these faces is going to increase. We're going to define 4 different patterns. So if I just increase or change this, you can see that we can produce different results. And this is going to be helpful if we want to make just patterns with true and false. Finally, we can bake them into 2 groups or 2 layers. As you can see here, we have the layer 1 and the layer 2. So we can just divide them into 2 different layers and bake them in Rhino, so we can use that in our project. So let's get started from scratch. For example, I have used this mesh. You can use any mesh you want and simply set one mesh and then internalize it, so you have that in Grasshopper. After we have produced this mesh, we want the faces, so we can go to the mesh, analyzes, and use this face boundaries. That will convert all mesh faces to polylines, which is a really great tool, and extract the boundaries. So if I bake that, you can see that we have these faces here. We can actually produce different patterns inside this mesh if you want to. Okay, after extracting the face boundaries, let's produce the pattern inside these faces.